Hiya everyone, today I'm going to be doing a quick look. Get ready with us, I'm going to work. I've got nothing on, I'm going to put my foundation on. I'm just using a bit of Milani light beige. Oh, it's your nose. So, I haven't got long at all and I've got to get to work and I've got no makeup mirror in front of us, so I'm using my little package here. I love this palette. It's it's Beauty Bay, EYN. And I just absolutely love it. I haven't put any primer on, but what I am going to do is, because it's summer and it's really hot, and when you're at work, like where we work, you do a lot of manual lifting and you sweat, so the makeup doesn't last all day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it with some spray, which I don't usually do, but I think I need a bit of extra help at the moment, because honestly it is so bad sometimes with the heat. Get that all over. Just doing a nice quick, I'm going to put a load of bronzer on as well, just to add back that colour that I'm taking off. I get it on my eyes as well. I'm in the kitchen this morning because my room, the light comes through the bedroom where I've got my dressing table, and it's far too light to the point where I can't even see what I'm doing and I blinded us. So I'm just doing it in here today for this morning. I don't have quite long. I hope the lighting's alright. I'm using Ashley's ring light. It's massive. And I thought it might work, but even in the bedroom with the ring light, it didn't look right. So hopefully a bit of light for you today. Here we go. Nice bit of foundation on. Then, so I haven't brushed my hair. This is like bed head. Look at it. What I've been doing lately is I've just been going in the shower, because I love going to work freshly showered, but I've not been washing my hair. Like, sorry, I have been washing my hair, I just haven't dried it. So I've just been washing my hair every morning and just letting it dry naturally. And I love it. I don't, honestly, because I think the heat was starting to destroy my hair. I've never had like raggedy hair, but with it getting dyed blonde last year, I noticed I had to be careful with the heat treatments. And I forgot the lipstick, it's in a different packet, but I suppose I could use that one. Yeah, I will do. I'll use that one. Right, that's what we're going to use. Right, so I've got that on. I'm going to go in with some light colour now. I'm not putting a base on my eyes, only because it will crease at the moment. The one I've got on us, it will crease, so I'm going to go in with, where have I put it? I'm not very organised, am I? I'm going to go in with raw sienna. It's just a nice neutral colour for your eyes. I don't want too much, because obviously I'm going to work and I don't want to, like, I don't know, feel a bit weird standing out with a bit too much on, but that there is lush. It's a matte palette. I love this palette. Look at it. It's gorgeous. Hope you can see everything. So here we go. I'm going to get this on. I'm just using a massive brush, and as you can see, I've just put it right up into my brow bone by accident. But because I've done that, I'm going to work with it and probably go right up. Just, there we go. Get that right in the crease and up. Nothing special, just something quick. Just nice nude wash if you like, you know. Now, I'll keep looking over there. I don't know why, because that's where the button is, but you're there. So it's a weird, the setup, because I think it's different from how I have it usually in my bedroom. Plus, I'm not used to holding a mirror while I do my makeup. I'm used to having the mirror like over there, you know. So this is quite strange for us doing my makeup into a mirror, looking down. Had a really, really, really good night out last Saturday. Went out to, so me and Laura, Martin and Alex were all met at the lounge downtown. I love the lounge. The lounge, if you're going out downtown, the lounge is lush. The people in there are so friendly. The atmosphere is amazing. It's just got everything going for it. This is mine and Martin's favourite haunt. We love it. And I think I've been to RBR once. We tried to get into RBR, but Martin was wearing his shorts and trainers, so we couldn't. So we ended up going to Ziggy's, and I've never been there before. And it was brilliant. It used to be Old Tropicana. Oh, I don't know, but I've never been before. It's next to the library downtown, where the old library is, sorry. And I love it, absolutely love it. It was just so quaint and quirky. Loved it. And the atmosphere, the guy that owns it is lovely. Really enjoyed ourselves, and we were there for quite some time, and then we decided to go back into town. We were gonna go, I think we were gonna go to Hogarth's maybe, but we decided to go to Wolf and Clover. I think it's Clover and Wolf, or Wolf and Clover. Really never been there before. It was brilliant. They had a live band on, so we were listening along to that. I'm putting on a bit of slow motion now, and I'm not going in, I'm slow motion. Slow motion. I've just been eyeing up my next clothes to do for the try on. Everyone loved the video. Thank you so much for everyone that watched it. I'm really glad you liked it. I was so nervous doing it, you know, because it's been that long since I've done like an outfit one. Like, I don't know when, you know, when I do the makeup ones, if it goes wrong, I can kind of make fun of myself. But because of what had happened with the outfit ones and getting picked on by trolls, back then I was dead sensitive. I'm not as sensitive anymore. I think as you get older, you just realise that. So if, you know, thought, right, that's it. My confidence is up a little bit as well. So I thought, right, I'm going to get back on there. Plus a lot of is it asked if I'd fancied doing it again. And I thought, and I kept saying, you know, thanks for asking, but I don't think it's for me. And then, I don't know, I just found myself wanting to do it. So I'm loving doing the try on videos. Obviously some of the stuff goes back. I kind of keep it all, but I love showing you what I've picked. And a lot of the things I did keep. Like I kept my cargo top, my white knit dress. And what else was it? One of the jumpers. But I'm going to pick some more bits and pieces. I'm actually looking for a really good like tracksuit, like a sports tracksuit. So I'm getting into joggers and tops, and I'm really loving the crop top type things, and I want like a blazer to go with it, or like a little dress underneath with a blazer. So I've been looking at little combos like that. Yeah, I'm just really loving doing it, and I hope you enjoy watching. This is nice. Oh, it's coming on nicely, that. Just nice soft touch. I don't want too much, you know. Obviously, because at work, it does sweat off a little bit, but you can set it to us, you know, do a bit of a standard with your setting spray. I'm using the Bare Minerals Dew Spray. It's got a bit of a glow to it. Now, I didn't know whether to go matte, which I should have done because I'm wearing a matte eyeshadow. But it doesn't matter. I've done it now. I've picked the other one. So you're going to get like a dewy finish, which I usually love, to be honest. I love dewy finished because it makes my skin look younger than it does if I put matte. But then you run the risk of, I'm going to look sweaty anyway at work, so I want to kind of mattify it out. Just make sure I've got that there. I don't want to... Lots of blending. Don't know how long this is going to be, but I need to be quick. It's a bit more quickly, just there. Hope you can see what I'm doing. What have you got planned for the week? You'll have to let us know. Leave us a comment. I love it when you comment. I'll try and get back to you as much as I can. Quickly get this on now. I don't know if I can go into the camera for this one. I'm using me Glossier. I love Glossier. It's my favourite liner. And let's see. I'm gonna go right in. Keep it as close as you can to the lash line. And then my eyelids are not what they used to be. They're quite crepey. So what I've got to do is steady my hand, always steady my little finger there. And just try my best. I have to do it in segments. You know, I might be able to eventually if I practice. But when I was a lot younger, I used to be able to just go swipe. But now it takes half my eyelid with it, so it's not really good to do that anymore. I can't wait to start the P. Louise course. It starts in August, so I'll start getting my tutorials through. And me and Laura are going to use each other as models and practice on each other, and I'll be using other friends as well, hopefully, to do some practicing on. But I'm looking forward to going down to Manchester to do the practicals, and then afterwards when we're all finished, get work accreditation. And then, sky's the limit. I'm looking forward to getting back into it all. I'll be professionally trained. And everything that I'll learn through the course, I'll show you all the kit as well, because the kit's coming in August, because I paid outright. And so everything I learn, I'll share all my tips and tricks for you on here, on YouTube and Instagram and what have you. So if you like the idea of that, make sure you subscribed and stay tuned. Now I have gone, sort that out, put that up a bit. So you've got to thicken that bit out because that's a bit crepey. Quickly, quickly. Everything goes wrong when you're in a rush. Always make sure you've got time. That'll do, that'll do. No one's going to be staring hard at my eyes, and if they are, they're too close. Right, quickly get some mascara on because I'm running out of time. Get this on. Quick, quick, quick. I'm using Maybelline Sky High. I absolutely love this one. And I know if you follow us, you'll see what I mean because I use it all the time. I don't even detour and use anything else at the minute. I do, however, I need to get myself another one because if this runs out, I'm going to cry. It is so good. Cry, and I mean it, I'll cry. So I'll get this on. I quite like that. It's just a nice simple look. It's not overdone. I won't feel like, I don't know. Now, I think there's a time and place for like heavy makeup. But then I see girls when I'm out in coffee shops and stuff that work there. And they've got hugely heavy makeup on. And I think, you know what? Good on you. And it's inspiring. Makes me think, right, I'm going to have a try that. Because I used to do some heavy looks. In fact, I was looking through photos, old pictures of makeup I used to do in my early years of YouTube. I've been on this since 2007. That was before like it got like mega bright and everything's changed now makeup wise. But I loved it. I have to get cracking. Woo! It's all exciting this, isn't it? Going to work. Right, so do that. Put that away. Do I need to? I've got another mirror. Right. bobbibrown. I love this stuff. Golden light. Absolutely love it. I think I've run out of coffee and all. And it's decaf as well. You'd think there was caffeine in it the way I'm going on, but there's not. But I have noticed, I'm using my own brush by the way, but they've sold out years ago and I never was able to get them again. But hopefully one day I'll be able to afford to get my brushes done again. That's my dream. In the meantime, I enjoy using them. I still use them years later, and a load of people who've got them have said they're still going strong. So that's a huge compliment. Let's get this on. I want to be proper bronze today. Why not? Get this hair out the way. Down here. Just bronze it out. So this is golden light. And it is very light, so I put quite a lot on. But you know what I like about it? It's not too heavy, so you can build on it. That's what I like about this one. I'm really running out of time. I need to get this good. Oh, right, got a minute left. Quick, quick, quick. Then I'm going to quickly put a touch of this on. This is MAC Groovy Glow. This is just beautiful. Bag on the back of the hand. Dib, dib, dab, 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 dab. Quick, quick, quick. Running out of time. Gotta get the lips on. Because until I get more followers on Instagram, I can't have the time. I'm only on 15 minutes. Doll 10 Beauty, Nude Beach. Love it. We've done it, we've done it, we've smashed it. There we go. Nice. I've really hope you enjoyed. If you're not following us or subscribed, please do. It makes a world of difference. Take care. See you all in a bit. Zoom, zoom.